ran 19.31 to win the World Champs last year in Eugene.
Obviously ready for this. This is Zarnell Hughes, very tall fella, coming out of 6.
European champion at 200 last year, Olympic finalist in the 100 in 2021.
Brendan Rodney is on his inside in lane 5.
Canadian gold medalist on the 4x1 last year, trains at Sprint Tech with Maurice Wilson. Lecturer there as well.
Rashid Dwyer will come up on your screen now. He's in lane 4.
Commonwealth champion in 2014, silver in the Pan Am 2015, Olympic finalist at 200 in 2021 in Tokyo.
This is Eric Harrison Jr. from Trinidad and Tobago.
2 bronze medals in the World Juniors for the United States 2018. Runs for his family's home country, Trinidad and Tobago now.
Alonzo Edward is in lane 2, represents Adidas.
Wow, the Panamanian, second to Bolt in the World Champs in 2009 in Berlin. Still going 14 years later.
And in lane 1, Adrian Carr, representing Motorcade Track Club.
One Class 3 200 for Kingston College, runs for the Motorcade Track Club. His coach, a former KC athlete, and here has made progress this season, but missed champs because of injury.
Final event of the 5th staging of the Racers Grand Prix here at the National Stadium. Adrian Carr in 1, Alonzo Edward in 2, Eric Harrison Jr. in 3, Rashid Dwyer in 4. There's Rashid. Brendan Rodney in 5, Zarnell Hughes in 6, Noah Lyles is in 7, and Ian Carr is in 8. That's Noah Lyles on your screen. And here once again is the outstanding Spencer Darlington.
So the final event on the program, the men's 200 meters, all eyes on Noah Lyles, the reigning world champion, running out of lane 7. Set, off they go. Very, very good start by Lyles. Rashid Dwyer is there as well. Noah Lyles, fabulous transition into the straightaway. He looks good. Zarnell Hughes is running a big race as well. But Noah Lyles steps on the accelerator. The 2-time world champion is imperious, unstoppable, and unbeatable here. 19.68. Wow, that is a stunning performance. 1968. New world leading. What a way to lay down the gauntlet.
1967.
1967 by the 2-time world champion Noah Lyles. He came here to deliver, and he has delivered the goods in no uncertain terms with a stunning performance. 1967. What a way to bring the curtain down on the 5th staging of this meet. Hughes in 2nd. That's Zarnell Hughes taking 2nd. Excellent run by him as well. And Rashid Dwyer back in 3rd. 2014 and 2095 for Hughes and Dwyer respectively.
Impressive is the world champion. You can see why he's won that gold medal 2 times and an Olympic bronze as well. Puts on a real show for the fans who stayed through the rain and the delays and came back and watched brilliant sprinting by him. Got the lane draw he wanted, wide to the outside, curve not quite as sharp, and came off the turn flying. Hughes putting a punch down the stretch, but the world champion, too much for everybody tonight at 19.67. Second look, there he is, just one in from the inside, goes past Carr, the Bahamian on the outside lane in a flash, and pulls Hughes with him through the curve. Then he turns into the straightaway. Seems to crouch down a little bit, but then when he gets sight of Hughes in the peripheral wing mirror, hits top gear and blows away to win in 19.67. Nice way to end the meet. Here's the isolation shot. Deep concentration, gets past Carr on the outside, keeps on going around the curve, straightens up now, tries to stay tall, and runs away from Hughes and everybody else in the 200 final. That's 19.67. That's the fastest time at 200 in the entire world in 2023. Hughes, right inside to your picture, tall and strong, but
Noah Lyles reaffirmed his status as the reigning world champion in the men's 200 meters with a spectacular showing at the Racers Grand Prix in Jamaica. Against a highly competitive field, Lyles claimed victory with an extraordinary time of 19.67 seconds, marking the fastest performance worldwide this season. The event featured a strong lineup, including European title holder Zarnell Hughes, Canadian Olympic gold medalist Brendan Rodney, and experienced Panamanian sprinter Alonso Edward, best known for his second-place finish behind Usain Bolt at the 2009 World Championships. Others in the race included Eric Harrison Jr. of Trinidad and Tobago, Commonwealth Games gold medalist Rashid Dwyer, and Bahamian sprinter Adrian Kerr. Lyles exploded out of the blocks, immediately gaining control. His sharp start gave him a quick advantage as he approached the curve with ideal placement. Exiting the bend, his flawless acceleration and composed running form created a clear gap. Despite being pursued by elite competitors, none could keep up with his pace in the final meters. Zarnell Hughes, famous for his late-race strength, finished second in 20.14, while the always reliable Rashid Dwyer took third in 20.95. Still, neither posed a serious challenge to Lyles' dominance. Lyles' command of the 200 meters continues to cement his legacy. He has long expressed his preference for the 200m over the 100m, and this performance was another shining example of his expertise in the longer sprint. His unmatched capacity to maintain peak speed through the finish separates him from the rest, highlighting the precision and control that define his racing style. Fans at Kingston's National Stadium witnessed a thrilling display of sprinting mastery. Lyles' run offered a compelling glimpse of what may lie ahead this season, serving as a reminder of his role as a consistent title contender. His steady stream of top-tier performances reinforces his position as a leading force in every 200m event. While local supporters were eager to see a Jamaican athlete win, they recognized Lyles' elite-level effort. Even sprinting legend Usain Bolt has spoken highly of Lyles, praising his natural ability and competitive dominance. As Lyles continues his campaign for more victories, races like this further establish him as one of the finest sprinters of this era. This latest triumph not only confirmed Lyles' place atop the global 200m rankings, but also sent a clear message to his competition. With the season now in full motion, excitement builds around whether he can sustain this world-class form and chase historical achievements. One thing remains certain: whenever Noah Lyles steps onto the track, a sensational race is sure to follow. As the season progresses, Lyles' consistency and mental focus continue to impress coaches and fans alike. His strategic approach to each race, combined with his explosive strength and refined technique, makes him a nightmare for any competitor. With major championships on the horizon, all eyes will be on Lyles to see if he can translate this early season dominance into more gold medals and perhaps even challenge long-standing records.